In the golden era of Indian cinema, when beauty was often louder than talent, a young girl with innocent eyes and quiet confidence entered the film industry. Her name was Jaya Bhaduri, later known to the world as Jaya Bachchan. She was not the glamorous heroine people expected from Bollywood. She did not try to look mysterious or larger than life. Instead, she felt real, like the girl next door. Simple, honest, emotional, and perhaps that is why millions of people connected with her instantly. Born in a Bengali family, Jaya grew up with discipline and love for art. She studied acting at the famous Film and Television Institute of India, where teachers quickly noticed her natural talent. She didn't need dramatic expressions to impress people. Her eyes spoke more than words ever could. Her journey in films began at a young age, but success truly arrived when she starred in movies that touched ordinary people's hearts. Films like Guddi showed her innocence and charm. In the film, she played a schoolgirl obsessed with movie stars, unaware of the difference between cinema and reality. Audiences loved her because she looked genuine, not artificial. Soon, Jaya became one of the most respected actresses in Bollywood. Directors trusted her emotional depth. She could make people laugh softly in one scene and cry deeply in the next. Movies like Abhiman, Milli, and Koshish proved that she was not just an actress but a storyteller through emotions. But destiny had written another chapter for her. During the filming of Zanjeer, she worked closely with a tall, struggling actor who was trying to find his place in Bollywood. His name was Amitabh Bachchan. At that time, Amitabh was not yet the superstar the world would later worship. He was facing failures, rejection, and uncertainty. But Jaya saw something in him that others could not see. She believed in his talent even before the world did.
अमित मेरे पति है, वो मेरा प्यार है, और प्यार मेरी किस्मत बन चुका है। आप ही बाजी हार जाएंगी, मैं कोई बाजी नहीं खेल रही। अगर आप समझती हैं कि आप उनको मुझसे छीन कर ले जाएंगे, तो आप ये गलत सोच रहे हैं।
As they spent time together, friendship slowly turned into love. There was no loud drama, no fairy tale romance, just two artists understanding each other's struggles and dreams. And when Zanjeer became a massive success, Amitabh's life changed forever. Soon after, Jaya and Amitabh got married. People thought it was the beginning of a perfect Bollywood love story. And for some time, it truly was. They became the most admired couple in Indian cinema. Fame, success, respect, they had everything. But stardom often comes with silence hidden behind applause. As Amitabh rose to unimaginable heights of fame, Jaya slowly stepped away from films to focus on family. She chose home over the spotlight. While the world celebrated Amitabh as the angry young man of Bollywood, Jaya quietly became the emotional strength behind the Bachchan family. Years passed. Rumors, controversies, and emotional storms surrounded their marriage, especially during Amitabh's rumored closeness with Rekha. The media created endless headlines. Fans whispered stories. Interviews became uncomfortable. But Jaya never spoke much publicly. She remained calm, controlled, and dignified. Some people saw pain in her silence. Others saw strength. Perhaps both were true. Even after stepping away from cinema for years, Jaya's legacy never faded. Whenever she appeared on screen again, audiences were reminded why she was special. Not because of glamour, not because of controversy, but because she carried truth in her performances. Over time, she also entered politics and became a member of Rajya Sabha, representing the Samajwadi Party. Her voice, once known in cinema halls, was now heard in parliament. Yet somewhere beyond fame, power, and public life, Jaya Bachchan remained the same woman she always was: emotional, protective of her family, strong-minded, and deeply human. Unlike many stars who chase attention, Jaya never tried to become larger than life. And maybe that is exactly what made her unforgettable.